Hey, welcome to our Let's Do Tech seminar. This is for February 8th. We will be discussing or doing just a quick tour of some of the resources of our TechShare database. Last month we did job resources, and we're actually going to go a little outside the TechShare database today to some other resources you can reach on our website that are really cool. That'll help you with job skills. We'll do a brief check in again on the TechShare job resources, 2 areas, and then we'll go into these other resources that are available. This will be available for you to watch this video on our YouTube channel. And also just to let you know in advance, we're going to do a practicing Excel basics webinar via Zoom on February 22nd. That's also a Monday. It's going to be at 11 a.m. again. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the basics. You're going to come on and we will show you practicing. You bring your computer at your desk while you're watching, and you can practice some of the Excel basics we're going to go over. We're going to do doing a basic spreadsheet, the basic formulas, kind of coming up with a little basic budget sheet, as it were, maybe a little basic database sheet for you, and then also a project management tracking sheet, a couple of quick hints that we were given from some of the resources I'm going to show you today that are really cool resources on learning Excel and Word and other sort of job skills you'll need. So we're going to go straight into this. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So we are, where's my little slideshow? We're going to start from the current slide. We're going to do Let's Do Tech. To get to any of the things I'm going to discuss today, the best place to do is to go directly to our website, which is https://lanolibrarysystem.net. If you go to the library website, you can, to get to TechShare databases, you'll enter go to the catalog, enter your library card number. It's the full number. Your password default is the phone number you provided to the library. If you have any problems using it, call us at 325-247-5248. We'll make sure that that's hooked up for you, and then it should work pretty much immediately after we've confirmed that we've made that change for you. On the TechShare database, you're going to be able to look in the databases themselves by popular, A to Z, or subject to find different databases. Career and job skills, I will show you that briefly when we go to the website. There's some in the TechShare databases, but we also have, if you go to the very front page of the Llano County Library System website, there's a little section called Welcome to the Llano County Library System Academy online tutorials. And these have some great resources, including how to use Google apps, Microsoft apps, basic computer skills, basic digital resources. So we're going to go over that briefly today, so you can find those and find access to them. So we are going to go out of this right now. Okay. And I'm going to share the screen again so that we can, there we go. You can go online, and we're going to go to the library website. Okay. So this is our LlanoLibrarySystem.net. And again, this is the welcome. As you can see, this is what it starts out as. You can see there are digital resources they refer you to, the catalog, so that you can get into our TechShare database area. But you don't even have to do that for this right now. We're going to go just to this tutorial area. We're going to click on tutorials. And this is the Academy. And as you can see, part of what the tutorials do and part of what they show is our digital resources. There's the EBSCO database. There's journals, ERIC. There's our Libby, auto repair. And if you keep scrolling down, you start getting into tutorials about using your computer. So we have internet basics, how to use the internet. We have a tutorial on computer basics, using and understanding a Windows one, internet safety, the basic copy and paste tutorial. There's Windows basics. There's the basics of Zoom video conferencing. There's using LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Basics of Zoom. And as you start getting further down, we're even going to get into the specifics of using Microsoft Word, Tech Talk, Windows Basic. And somewhere down here, there's all the basics of using sort of Google Docs, Google Photos, Google Forms, Google Search, Google Slides. And then you can see that there's different Microsoft ones that they have, tutorials on Publisher, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Microsoft Office Word, Outlook, OneDrive. And we are going to look at Microsoft Excel since that's what's going to be coming up. And as you can see, there are these really neat videos on creating and opening workbooks, introductions, adding and editing data. All of these are available for you to just open, moving data, sorting data, doing tables and charts. There's even additional resources that they show off. And one of the ones that I like is gfc.org. YouTube also has some really good ones. gcf.org. Let's see. gcf.org. That's not what we're looking for. I don't think that's what they were like. It's actually the Goodwill. Goodwill courses on Excel. They need to change that link. The Goodwill Community Foundation is actually what you're looking for. And the Goodwill Community Foundation has these great YouTube tutorials. This is how to create formulas, simple formulas. They have these that you can do. They also have, they have written lessons, they have introductions, and then they have these YouTube videos. So you can join on YouTube. You can do gcflearnfree.org. And I really recommend those, or refer you to those. I've used those. I used those in the when we were doing some Let's Talk Tech groups with people, and we were able to put together some really great basic little sheets. So these are some of what we're going to be using when we go to our 22nd, our thing on the 22nd. But what we'll be doing is we'll actually be practicing these skills, and I'll be answering your questions as we go for different skills. So if you'd like to be part of that, check out our online calendar, and the links are there to access this. So if you go to our calendar, you can see we will have it on from 11 to 12. Let's do tech, Zoom only, Excel basics, practicing Excel basics. You'll click on that, and inside is going to be a link that you can click on, and it'll take you straight to what we're doing, to the class on that day. And now I'm going to go back into PowerPoint. Just quickly to this little last page. And again, it's just letting you know, Let's Do Tech. We're going to do February 22nd. Here, let me put that in there. February 22nd at 11 a.m., practicing the basics of Microsoft Excel. The link will be on the Llano Library calendar, and we'll also do some Facebook posts with the link in it as well. So I hope that was helpful. As you can see, there's if you go to the LanoLibrarySystem.net, you can go into our TechShare databases, but we also have these great resources in our Academy of Online Tutorials. Just click the tutorials button right there, and that will actually take you into great tutorials that are linking you to job skills type tutorials that will increase your marketability. So thank you for joining us today. You can join us the first, was it the, you can join us the second and fourth Monday of February, and we are doing these tutorials. Watch the calendar. We may be changing things up a little bit for March and going forward about dates and times, but right now February 22nd is a definite, and we will be at 11 a.m. practicing the basics of Microsoft.